So understand now, prasad is remnants. What is remnants? Her mood transcending down, descending down. You receiving it, then that's prasad. So who cooks and who offers to Krishna? When we go to the kitchen, are you cooking? Did you cook today, Vrindavan? You are the doer? You are Krishna conscious, or you are I am Krishna conscious? Right? Krishna consciousness means any service to Krishna is performed by Srimati Radhika. So she cooks, and then she offers. Right? You can see some pictures where Radha is holding laddu and giving Krishna. So he is accepting from your hand. So you prepare under her guidance, and then you bring it, right? And then she checks, and then like a baby is given Play-Doh, right? So she's giving you some Play-Doh over in Vrindavan. Why? She's not here now. She's not smiling now. Yes, this is funny. You collect some Play-Doh, and you make something with it, and you show it. Right? Nice soup. Okay? But in spiritual world, Braj, everything Krishna takes, Srimati Radhika is making. Even Mother Rohini does it. Before Mother Yashoda, Rohini would cook and Krishna, they would always say, oh, Krishna's skinny thinny. That's why they begged Radharani to cook. Krishna's not eating nicely. He's skinny thinny. Baladev is mota, fat, healthy. Krishna's skinny. Why? Only when Srimati Radhika started cooking, then he's eating nicely.